What defines a truly great campus? It's the seamless experience, the safety, the commitment to a sustainable future. But behind this ideal lies a complex reality of managing countless moving parts. Disjointed systems create blind spots. Maintenance becomes a constant firefight. Potential risks go unnoticed until it's too late. And sustainability goals? They become difficult to measure and even harder to achieve. Your teams are working hard, but are they working smart? It's time to change the equation. Introducing Kolaz. We bring your entire campus ecosystem into a unified command and control center. We replace complexity with clarity, empowering you to achieve true operational efficiency. Stop reacting and start predicting. Our platform uses AI for proactive maintenance. We identify issues before they become expensive problems, saving you time, money, and ensuring uninterrupted campus life. Simultaneously, drive your green initiatives. Kolaz provides the actionable data you need to build a truly sustainable community for a brighter future. This is the power of integrated data. This is data-driven excellence. A campus that is smarter, safer, and more sustainable. Elevate your campus with Kolaz.